how to remove an admin from your Facebook page. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and as well as click on that bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads here. So what you will need to do next is first is to go to your Facebook app, and then here tap on the three lines and tap on that page icon beside your profile and wait for it to load for a while or for some time. And after loading for some time, you will be directed to your Facebook page, which you can interact as your page. And next thing to do is go to the three lines above, tap on that, and then once you're here, scroll all the way down, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, and once you're in the settings option, what you need to do next is to scroll down or to look for the page settings option. If you see the page settings, tap on that, and then scroll down and look for the page access option, and then here you will see all the people that have access to your Facebook page. If you want to remove them, tap on the three dots and choose the remove from page option. So if you want to remove, just tap on the remove from page, and I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.